everyone, I'm Gambitamin from Pallotti Podium. Today, we remember Quit India Day, a pivotal movement in our struggle for independence. On August 9, 1942, Mahatma Gandhi's call for the Quit India movement ignited a spirit of unity and resilience against British colonial rule. This movement marked a turning point, accelerating our journey towards freedom and self-governance. Let us honor the sacrifices of our heroes who fought for our nation's independence and renew our commitment to unity, equality, and justice. As a student, we carry their legacy. Let's be torchbearers of change, building an inclusive India. On this Quit India Day, let's remember their sacrifices, ignite patriotism, and contribute to our nation's growth. Jai Hind.